Hi, my name is Wayne, and I'd like to share some good news with you. If you have a radon mitigation system or a ventilation system that employs one of these polyester fluff filters, as I call them, you can replace it. We've made a retrofit kit that does not require that you service it every 60 to 90 days, but instead it requires service only once every 18 to 24 months. We call it the Smart Ventilation Type III filter, and this is what it looks like. It's very different. It has about 76 pleats. It's rated at MERV 1415, and it has a useful life of 18 to 24 months. At any rate, it's a really easy retrofit. So if you've got a filter that uses one of these, you can have this down and replace it with this one, and it will give almost exactly the same outdoor appearance, but it will have a much longer service life, and it will do a much better job of removing nearly everything, even including smoke. It's very simple and easy to use. It requires only the use of this adapter plate, which is designed specifically to retrofit either a 5-inch or 6-inch air intake, or 4-inch or 5-inch duct or hole through the outside of the building. So the way that it's installed is this is placed over the building, against the building. Then this part is set against it. 4 stainless steel screws are installed in the exact same location as what was removed. Then the filter is inserted into the hole. It makes a nice airtight seal. And then this filter cover can go right over it. So the outdoor appearance is almost exactly the same, although you can see a little bit of the orange seal, the gasket from the outside. At any rate, this system is easy to retrofit. You can retrofit it yourself. It takes maybe 5 minutes to change it, not including the time to get the ladder out. It can be installed by a home inspector, or by an air conditioning guy, or by a radon guy, and probably the 12-year-old youngster in your family could probably install it. We try to make it very simple and very effective and reasonable cost. Wayne Dean Smart Ventilation, 239-571-2227, or talk to your home inspector, or talk to your air conditioning guy, or talk to your radon mitigator. Any one of those can install this, or talk to your son. He can probably do it too, and maybe even your daughter.